I'm really gonna have to upgrade my cars for the next couple of events, because I'm way behind.
We skirt the knife's edge between life and death, traction and free fall. I'm Aki Kimura, the Drift King.
It's DK!
Welcome to Noise Bomb.
This is so Tokyo Drift. It's like where they fucking raced. The end of that film. Alright, Noise Bomb.
Sean McAllister.
Ready to get
Some chatter about you. Hear word you're gunning for my crown.
I'm not after your crown, Kimura, but I am here to beat your score.
Well, if you beat his
Crushing
score, you
records across
kind
the
of get
country.
his crown, so it kind of
Think
goes
you can
hand in
stop
hand.
us from taking Fortune Valley's top spot?
Living the American dream, eh? I dig it. But Fortune Valley's records are mine.
I like his car. I really wish you won each guy's car when you beat them in the end. But alas, they don't seem to know what pink slips are. Whip snake loop.
Watch and learn.
Yeah, I feel like you don't really necessarily need to have a a certain car spec when drifting is drifting. Like so. The 76k is a pretty decent hill score. Alright. Yeah, that shouldn't be an issue, I don't think. Might actually use this as a chance to boost up my other drift car as well. And then definitely gonna buy a new off-road car for the next string of events, I think. As much as I love my Subaru, I'm not mad on the Ford Raptor, so I think I might replace them. Or definitely replace the Raptor anyway. Right, target score is already hit.
If that's a surprise, get ready to be astounded. See that?
This is a pretty sweet run, actually. Oh yeah. Jesus, the flies really do help them hit like 30k per turn. This could be a legitimately clean run as well, actually. Watch, just as I say that, I'm gonna crash.
The magic words. Watch and learn. Alright.
I dare anyone to go for my auto log on this.
I didn't think you could beat our score on the Whip Snake Loop. Looks like I was wrong.
Damn right you're fucking wrong. Man, I don't know if I'm absolutely fucking pro at drifting or if it's just way too easy in this game. I feel like it might be way too easy.
Man, I am good.
There goes the Noise Bomb record. Well done.
Huh.
That'll do.
Well, okay. Whether this is really easy or not, I am pretty impressed with myself. 194. Oh, I didn't even fucking remember that drift for 546 yards. Oh well. Pretty happy with that overall. Come and try beat me, boys. Come and try beat me.
Nice job on the Whip Snake Loop.
Uh-huh. I made light work of that record.
We'll do the bridge run next. Prove to me this wasn't a fluke.
Yeah, it wasn't a fluke,
Twist
right?
my arm.
I'm gonna beat this drift song and then call it quits. No, boy. Alrighty. Call it there.